In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage discovering you by LinkedIn phone number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find this setting and how to choose the option that matches your privacy and networking needs. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press Enter. From the results, click the official LinkedIn website. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your account controls. Once you're on LinkedIn, look to the top navigation bar and click Me, which is your profile icon near the right side. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is the central hub for your account controls, including sign-in preferences, data privacy, and visibility options. Inside Settings and Privacy, look at the menu on the left and click Visibility. The Visibility section manages who can see your profile details, activity, and how others can find you on the platform. Here, you're going to locate and select Profile Discovery using phone number. This page explains how people can discover your profile if they enter a phone number that's associated with your LinkedIn account. Now, choose the audience that fits your comfort level. Everyone, second-degree connections, or nobody. Here's what each choice means in practice. Everyone allows any LinkedIn member to find your profile by entering your phone number. This is helpful if you network broadly, meet contacts at events, or want to be easily discoverable by recruiters. Second-degree connections limits discovery to people who are connected to someone you're directly connected with. It strikes a balance between reach and control, keeping discovery within your extended network. Nobody turns off discovery by phone number entirely. With this option, your phone number can still be used for login and account security, but it won't help others look up your profile. After you make your selection, LinkedIn typically saves the change automatically. Look for a confirmation note or a visual indicator that your choice is active. If you see a Save button, click it to confirm. Remember, this setting only affects discoverability. It does not display your phone number on your profile and does not impact two-step verification or how you sign in. If your goals change, say you're job hunting or tightening privacy, you can come back to this exact place and adjust the setting at any time. When you're done, you can close Settings and Privacy and continue browsing LinkedIn as usual, confident that your phone number discovery preference is set the way you want.